Let's learn 20 snakes today. Cobra. Cobras are famous for spreading their hoods wide. They can stand tall and look very brave. Cobras make a hiss sound when they feel danger. Some cobras even spit their venom to protect themselves. They love warm places like jungles and grasslands. Python. Pythons are some of the biggest snakes in the world. They squeeze their food instead of biting it. Pythons are not poisonous. They can live in forests, swamps, or near water. Pythons can open their mouths very wide to eat big food. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnakes have a rattle at the end of their tail. They shake their tail to make a warning sound. They live in deserts, grasslands, and forests. Rattlesnakes are poisonous. They use their heat-sensing pits to find warm-blooded animals. Anaconda. Anacondas are one of the largest snakes in the world. They love to live in rivers and swamps. They are strong swimmers. Anacondas squeeze their prey before eating it. They can stay underwater for about 10 minutes. Viper. Vipers have long, sharp fangs. They strike quickly to catch their food. Many vipers are poisonous. They live in many places of the world. Vipers like to hide under leaves or rocks. Boa constrictor. Boas are big snakes that are not poisonous. They catch their prey by wrapping around it. Boa lives in warm rainforest. They can climb trees very well. Boas use their tongues to smell the air. King snake. King snakes are not poisonous. They can eat other snakes, even venomous ones. Their bright colors help scare enemies. They live in forests, deserts, and grasslands. King snakes are harmless to people. Garter snake. Garter snakes are small and friendly. They are often seen in gardens and parks. They eat frogs, worms, and small fish. They move very fast. Garter snakes can swim and climb too. Coral snake. Coral snakes have bright red, yellow, and black stripes. They are very poisonous but shy. Coral snakes like to hide under leaves or logs. They move in a smooth, wave-like way. Their colors warn other animals to stay away. Green tree python. Green tree pythons are bright green in color. They love to rest on tree branches. They curl up like a rope on the branch. They are not poisonous. Baby green tree pythons are yellow or red when born. Black mamba. Black mambas are very fast snakes. They can slither up to 20 km per hour. They are very poisonous. They live in Africa's warm areas. Black mambas like to stay hidden in tall grass or trees. Milk snake. Milk snakes have red, black, and yellow bands. They look like coral snakes but are not poisonous. They live in fields, farms, and forests. Milk snakes are shy but gentle. They help farmers by catching mice and pests. Sea snake. Sea snakes live in warm ocean waters. They are excellent swimmers. Their tails are flat like paddles to help them swim. Some sea snakes are poisonous. They come to the surface to breathe air. Ball python. Ball pythons are small and gentle snakes. When scared, they curl into a ball. They are not poisonous. They are popular pet snakes. They come from Africa's warm lands. Water snake. Water snakes live near rivers, lakes, and ponds. They are very good swimmers. They are not poisonous. They eat frogs, fish, and small animals. Water snakes can stay still on rocks to enjoy the sun. Brown snake. Brown snakes are small and thin. Some types are poisonous and some are not. They live in gardens, fields, and forests. They like to hunt insects and tiny animals. Brown snakes blend in easily with the ground. Bushmaster. Bushmasters are long vipers from the rainforest. They are shy but poisonous. They like to come out at night. Bushmasters use their tongue to smell the air. They have a quiet warning sound with their tails. Copperhead. Copperheads have a copper brown color. They live in forests and rocky places. They are poisonous but not very deadly. They hide well in fallen leaves. Copperheads like to stay very still to surprise their prey. Cottonmouth. Cottonmouths live near water. When scared, they open their mouth wide and show white insect. They are poisonous. They are strong swimmers. Cottonmouths love warm, wet places. Sandbow. Sandbows are small and friendly snakes. They love to hide in soft sand. They are not poisonous. They have short tails and round bodies. Sandbows are good at burrowing. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.